journey. I am that I am. So as Marlin is trying to find his son, not son, he is literally looking for the Christ consciousness thinking in him with his new friend Dory.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Finding Nemo. Marlin, a clownfish, is overly cautious with his son Nemo, who has a foreshortened fin. When Nemo swims too close to the surface to prove himself, he is caught by a diver, and horrified Marlin must set out to find him. A blue reef fish named Dory, who has a really short memory, joins Marlin and complicates the encounter with sharks, jellyfish, and a host of ocean dangers. Meanwhile, Nemo plots for his escape from a dentist's fish tank. Okay, so I did a live stream on this before. Y'all go check that out. And I wanted to tap back into it so I can lay down how spirit, your subconscious mind, is always guiding you. Just like the Dogon's gods, the Nomos, a fish god type being, guiding them to their truth and understanding of Sirius and the world around them. Your subconscious mind is all, the Omega. It's what's running the show and what we're trying to impact when doing all these rituals, mantras, affirmations, sigils, candle magic, any unseen act affecting the spirit realm. We're trying to impact that to shape and form our reality. As this spiritual work is taking place, we need to know that it takes us getting out of our own way, our conscious mind, to impact our subconscious mind. Marlin represents the conscious mind, or the ego, the constant worried, protective side of you that wants to put you in the best, most rational, safest position possible. Nemo represents that hero in you, Heru, that one part of you that's trying to figure this thing out and make any effort to create his own destiny. Without his dad, your conscious mind getting in the way. And Dory represents the subconscious mind, the part of you that knows all and don't know why it knows all, but it knows exactly where to go, guiding you all the way if you trust it. If you notice in every scene when Marlin and Dory are on their adventures, they have a dazed scene or blurred kind of scene when they transition to show Nemo in the fish tank. Basically showing you your son, S-U-N, is on the rise. And your subconscious mind is showing you how your power works. Dreams, meditations, being in the zone in your ritual work, scrying into a crystal ball, and the much, much more spiritual practices that get you in that zone. All these things will program your subconscious mind for whatever your intention is so you can be successful in that feat. See, trusting in your spirit will give you a higher perspective than trusting in your rational, conscious thinking mind. Your subconscious has a bird's eye view and can see how your timeline is going to work out for you. Depending on where your heart is, your subconscious is going to give you what you want and what you deem fit for yourself. In finding Nemo, you're finding yourself. In finding yourself, you're finding nobody, as Nemo means nobody, which is a cold metaphysical perspective saying when you tap into your heart chakra and understanding of what you uniquely, divinely are, you realize these choices you are making are nothing. Your choice has been already made, and you're the hero playing out your hero's journey. I am that I am. So as Marlon is trying to find his son, he is literally looking for the Christ consciousness thinking in him with his new friend Dory. The problem is he keeps rationalizing if he's going the right way. Is he doing the right thing? What is his next move? Instead of surrendering to his spirit, Dory, who he feels is not making any rational common sense, but remember, your subconscious isn't going to give you too many things as common sense. This is going to lead you in the best direction to find your son. For example, let's say you want to get a new car. You do the proper work, spiritual rituals to program the part of your subconscious to get the new car you want. Then, all of a sudden, you get hungry for some pizza. You start having that urge for pizza. You go to the pizza parlor to get some pizza and meet a girl who you exchange numbers with. You go out with this girl, but then she gets in a car wreck with you in it. She goes to the dealership to get her a new car and tag you along with her. The dealer you meet says, "Hey, we're hiring for part-time work," and you accept the job. Why not, right? Because you need a little bit more ends to get to that car you wanted. But the little insurance claim you just came up from the accident, and because you're getting therapy and the car dealership giving you a discount because you work there now, is going to afford you that new car. All of that because you were craving pizza. That rational common sense way of thinking, throw that out the window. We are spiritual beings that must use spirit first and make things happen according to that intuitive part of us that knows. It could be something unrelated and not pertaining to our intention.
Quad!
But just like Dory, it's always going to put you in the situation where we get back to our son. Dream wise.